How to send money on Remitly. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send money on Remitly. So to do that, first of all, open your Remitly app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Remitly account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the option get started, which is right over here. After that, if you already have a recipient set up, you can simply tap on them, but if you don't, tap on the option new recipient. And now first of all, select the amount you'd like to send. So for now, I'll simply choose $100. Now once you've done that, select delivery method. So it may be any one of these three right over here. So it may be a mobile money, bank deposit, or a cash pickup. So for now, we'll simply choose bank deposit. After that, select your payment method. So it may be your debit or credit card, or it may be your bank account. Now you can choose whichever one you'd like. After that, tap on the option continue. Now if your recipient's bank is over here, simply tap on it, but if it is not, you can tap on the option choose another bank. But for now, I'll simply choose this bank right over here, and now enter the account number. Now once you've entered their account number, tap on the option continue. Now enter their first name and their last name. After that, tap on the option continue. Now if you want, you can enter their phone number, but if you don't, simply skip this process. Now you'll have to enter your first name and your last name. After that, enter your date of birth. Now tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to confirm your information. So your information should exactly match what's on your ID. And if your information is mismatched, it will delay your transfer. So once you're okay with your information, simply enter it. Now you'll have to enter your address. So let me enter it real quick. Now tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to enter your phone number over here. Now tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to enter your bank account number, or if you chose your credit or debit card number, you'll have to enter your credit or debit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. But since I chose my bank account, I'll have to enter my transit number, my institution number, my account number. And once you tap on the option continue, you'll have successfully sent money on Remitly. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.